losing all the time as a new beginner, as a trader? And it's quite simple. More time, it's like you got to ask yourself this question: is why? What made you start trading, and what's your end goal? What do you want to get out of trading, and where do you see yourself in the next 5 years? Ask yourself those type of questions. Like keep it 100 with yourself, and ask yourself those questions. Why are you in the industry? Did you start trading because you want to make money? Did you start trading because you want to get financial freedom? Or did you start trading because you wanted to find a new skill and you can venture out to a new career outside? You know, majority of the time, the first one is because you want to make money, quick money. A lot of people say trading is like you want a side hobby, not like your main job, but you want to make it a side hobby, but you want to make money. But you're asking yourself, why do you keep losing? Now, this is something that I've learned when I first started as a trader, when I was like taking all my L's and that. And then I asked myself a question. I said to myself, yo, D, why are you losing so much? And then I came to that realization that I wanted to make the money fast. And if you're in this industry to make that money fast, this is definitely the right industry, not for you. In this video, I'm going to break down the type of things that you need to know to stop you from taking L's. And another thing as well, close a trade and you look in your P&L, you see that, okay, cool, you've been taking a lot of losses, and that's the reason why you're not getting motivated. Yeah, you're losing hope. You think you're a loser. You think you're a failure, but you're not a failure, man. So welcome to the show. So this is the show, Trading Within the Markets, where I talk about the market, talk about price action, and all the type of stuff that you need to know to get you ready for this market. Yeah. Let me take you to the chart quickly and show you guys something, and probably give you a little bit of clue why you probably losing all the time. So over here, you can see over here we have 1 to 30 leverage, and imagine having £1,000. So imagine you have £1,000, you put £1,000 in a broker's account, and you want to start trading and you want to start making money, right? So what's the type of things you need to look for? You need to look for what type of leverage you're going to be playing with. So you're going to go for a 1 to 30 leverage, or you're going to go to a 1 to 500 leverage. I'm going to break down what both of them mean. So if you're going for 1 to 30 leverage and you have £1,000 in your account, you know, the max you can probably trade lot size will probably be like, 10 lot size, 5 lot size, 20 lot size, 50 lot size. I think 50 lot size, you might be able to change 50 lot size for 1 to 30 leverage. Don't quote me on that though. Now 1 to 500 leverage, you can trade with probably like up to, if you have 1,000, you can definitely get like a 3 lot size in there. But we're gonna stay with what we see over here, so you guys can get the drift of what I'm talking about. So now you want to figure out, why do you keep losing? You keep putting money in your broker's account and you're losing a lot of money. Why is that? I remember the first time I asked somebody, how much was the first deposit they put into the account? They said £10,000. I was like, wow, you put a lot of money in your account. I said, how much did you make back? They said they lost everything. I tell you why. Over leveraging could be the problem why you keep losing. So let's say you have £1,000 in an account, you wanted to make a trade, and the trade looks like you'd have made probably like double or so many, probably gonna make a lot of money, right? So you put yourself in a position and you say you're gonna put 50 lot size, right? You're getting greedy. Now you gotta remember this now, yeah? Let's move over here. See, so now you're in the trade, right? You see prices going up like this. Prices going up, right? And you do your line, you do your chart, you mark up your charts, and you're getting all the line charts right, and you're doing your thing. Now it's time for you to put into a position. You're going for a long, right? So you say a position over here, and you say, okay, cool, I'm gonna go for an entry. So you're trying to make an entry right now. You make an entry, you put your box down, you put your stop loss here, and you're trying to aim for, potentially you're trying to get the price right here, right? Why do you keep losing? So why you keep losing? That's very interesting why you keep losing. Maybe because when you're making an entry, you're putting so many position, so many leverage on your position. So when you are going on a drawdown, so if price is taking you on a drawdown, it's taking you out of the market very quickly. That's the reason why a lot of the time you guys be using a tight stop loss and over leveraging. But what about if you stop doing that and over leveraging your trade and looking at all of this and saying your aim is to turn 1,000 into 2,000, right? So you want to turn 1,000 into 2,000. Why don't you say something like, okay, you made this like red, no zone, no go zone, no go zone, no go zone, and you work with this, yeah, 2 lots to 5 lots. You can put yourself in a position with a 2 lots size, depending on what trade you're trading. If you're trading like a gold, because you can trade a gold on £1,000 and put a 2 lot size. So you can say, okay, let me put a 2 lot size on this trade. So now if the trade is not going your way and it's going all the way down, like personally with me, the reason why I don't use stop loss because I use the correct risk management. So now if price is going against me, I know to myself I have enough money in the account and I've got to survive this correction. As long I know that I've marked up my chart correctly and it's not breaking this next support that's coming close over here. Either way, I know it's an uptrend. So I have enough lot size on my trade for me to survive the correction order until it starts continuing upwards. So that's how you can remain profitable, by being patient, not being greedy, and not over leveraging, if you understand what I'm saying, right? So the over leveraging could be the reason why you are losing a lot of trade. You're not working with the amount of money that's in your account. Hence the reason why you're losing so much money and you're losing so much trade, because the corrections, you'll not be able to survive that. Sometimes you might be seeing yourself, you have like a 50 lot size, you're seeing yourself with probably like 150, 200 drawdown, and it's making you panic, so you're closing the trade early. But now, if you had like a 5 lot size or 2 lot size with 1,000, you wouldn't be so like anxious to like close the trade early. So you'd be able to like, you know, survive the trade, survive the correction until you start going your way, and then you can see where you want to take profit from. Now, with the 1 to 500 leverage as well, it's a faster way to blow your account, because a lot of people, when you're putting £1,000, with me, I ain't gonna lie, when I put £1,000 into an account with a 1 to 500, majority of the time I go for a 50 lot size, depending on the position I'm about to make an entry in. And more time I already have an entry in with a smaller lot size, and I'm just really just trying to you know, get the lick real quickly, get the bag quickly and just in and out the trade. So I'm scalping. So you got to look at things like that. You got to look at what's your position size when you're going into a trade. Are you over leveraging? Are you putting a lot of lot size? Bring your lot size down a little bit. Try that out for a bit and see how you get on. And then as time gets on, you get better. You start to get in tune with what's going on in the market. And then as time goes on, you can say to yourself, okay, cool, I want to put up a little bit of lot size on my trade. But always make sure when you're putting more lot size from your trade, you already made your profit from here. And you can say to yourself, okay, cool, I was in this trade. You was in this trade. You had a 2 lot size in this trade. Yeah. You made a profit. So you made a profit. So after you making a profit over here, price is going into your favor over here. You've made a profit. Guess what? Then you sell one. You sell one lot size, leave one lot size in the market, and wait for another entry to, come again, and you can put another 2 lot size, and so on and so on. So this is how you grow your small account and double it fast into 2,000. When you're over leveraging and putting a lot of lot size, this is the faster way for you to blow your account, because the majority of the time the correction is taking you out the market, and once it takes you out the market, price goes exactly where you want it to go, and then you're fuming and you're starting again. So while you keep losing, just bring your focus on your risk management, bring down your lot size, enter the trade, and if you know the trade is going your way, have enough patience for you to, let your trade cook, let it cook, let it marinate. As I'm saying to you. So try that new exercise, understanding that when you're losing all the time, majority of the time, you're over leveraging. You just need to stop over leveraging, my guy. I know sometimes it might be tempting. You might look at a position with price and it might look like it's going your way. and you feel like, yo, let me over leverage. But the main aim is to build a small account, have more fun, so you can put yourself in more position and you can see your money grow. Right? Catch you guys in the next video. Stay blessed.